just a quick one for you today. Hey, it's Care. Welcome to My Tech at the Lake. Some new word kits, digital word kits are out. I'll do these in a second. We'll come back to those. Look at me, all ahead of schedule. Fall's only a few minutes away, but it's not here yet. And fall words are out. Yeah. I'm quite proud of that. As you know, I usually do things on time or a teensy bit late, but right down to the wire. Never late. Deadline driven. Never late. Rarely early. So fall words. This kit has 5 different pages, all having to do with various parts of fall. So of course, first we have the beautiful bokeh with fall colors. And what I try to do is, again, leave you bigger ones for fronts of signatures or tops of planners or side page edging, depending on how you want to use them. These are excellent for planners, junk journals, even glue books, ICADS, Rolodex art. I also highly suggest using them as writing prompts if you want to write more in your journals or write more in general but aren't sure what to write about. Each of these little phrases or quotes or even a single word, just the word autumn, can bring back memories and stir up dreams and help you to launch into writing if you just have a little push. Again, it could be memories, it could be thoughts and ideas on how you want this fall to go for you, or who knows where it might lead. I also try to include bits of pretty that you can include. Sometimes it's printed over, but if I can, I'll leave it blank. So this would be a beautiful page edge. Fussy cut out those leaves. Same here. Some blue sky and autumn leaves. Here with a quote. It was a beautiful bright autumn day with air like cider and a sky so blue you could drown in it. That is not mine. It's from a book somewhere. Some of the writing is mine. Some is from literature and various novels or bestsellers. I love this. Fall, chapter 3 of 4. Or autumn, chapter 3 of 4. Squirrels scampering to hide their fall haul. That is mine. That is me. Pumpkins aplenty, mulled wine, cider donuts, caramel apples. There is nothing so wonderful as a crisp, beautiful caramel apple. Oh my goodness. More on autumn and fall. More beautiful colors. Some of the words will have beautiful backgrounds. It looked like the world was covered in a cobbler crust of brown sugar and cinnamon. Absolutely. I'm not sure whose that is, but this is mine. Autumn is the vintage season of the year, full of beautiful browns and nostalgia. I love these rainbow leaves. Somewhere in here, there's a quote from somebody that says, fall is its own kind of spring, each leaf a flower. And I think this illustrates that beautifully. Rainbow leaves at the bottom, more fall quotes and phrases. Some can, I also kind of split them up where I think you might cut them for ease of use, so they're not all crammed together and they're not too close together, either width or height wise. Of course, it's back to school season, so there's a beautiful chalkboard complete with erasers and a whole bunch of quotes about school and learning and education. Books, the original search tool, or libraries, the original search tool. Respect to those who graduated school before Google. Or the internet at all. How did we ever do it? Just some fun back to school clip art again on a blackboard background. I didn't include it here, but there's a really long quote from the movie You've Got Mail about New York in the fall. Makes me want to send you a bouquet of sharpened pencils, freshly sharpened #2 pencils, because it's just its own new beginning, and that's awesome. And of course, in the fall comes Halloween, so there's a little bit of fun, a little bit of Halloween fun here. cut out that bit. Some of your phrases will have bats between them, behind them. Some quotes from Vincent Price, Mary Shelley, Shakespeare, Bram Stoker, Shirley Jackson, Joseph Conrad. Some really, really fun stuff in here. One of my favorites is I'll stop wearing black when they make a darker color. That is so me. Anyway, a really fun kit, just in time to start enjoying the upcoming, soon to be here fall season. This is one kit altogether. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer, because I did not do a black and white version of this. I only posted the colored version. This is all you get in the kit. Usually I do a colored kit and a black and white ink saver. Let me know in the comments below if that matters. If you prefer to have this as an option with the kit. I know we all like more bang for our buck, but I didn't do it this time. I didn't even think of it for some reason. So that is the fall or autumn words kit, now available on my Etsy store. So as you know, I am adverse to people using the same thing, everybody using the same thing, and everybody doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. Thus, New Theme Thursday. Thus, my Words to Live By kit. This is a series. There's already a Words to Live By, just straight up Words to Live By. It's all positivity. It's not even that. It's just general life quotes. This collection is all about creativity. So words like imagination, ingenuity, innovativeness, invention, endless possibilities, originality, resourceful, inspiration, muse, fancy, clever ideas, imagine. And then there are some quotes and some small phrases. You were born an original, don't die a copy. Exactly. You're born to be original. Why copy what everybody else is doing or having or using? Do your own thing. Everyone is born creative. It's why we're here. That's mine. I wholeheartedly believe that. We were born to push us forward and to create, just further pushing us along into the future. You know, otherwise we'd still be stuck in the caves on our hands and knees, right? Or wherever we started. Let go of self-doubt and watch your creativity soar. Life beats down and crushes the soul. Art reminds you that you have one. Stella Adler. Imagination is everything. It's the preview of life's coming attractions. If you can see it and believe it, you can have it and do it and be it. They do have different clip art, little bits of just because I wanted to try to fill in every space so that nothing would be wasted. Note to self, relax and let yourself play. Have the courage to create. Benjamin Franklin said, to cease to think creatively is to cease to live. More creativity words, more clip art. So this is the kit, and I did it in white as well. This has different clip art. It's one of my favorite images in this whole world. I don't know who to credit it to. I have no idea where it came from, but I just think it's magical. So these two are exactly the same except for the clip art and that they're black and white. This is one kit. So Words to Live By and Autumn Words available on my Etsy shop. Waiting for you to come get them to jazz up your journals, planners, writing journals, art journals, ICADS, Rolodex art, zines. They can go on anything. I hope you have a lovely, lovely crafty day. Go live up your beastlies, because you never know what tomorrow's going to bring. Take care. Mate at the lake. Out for now.